Bye. Girl. Excuse me. Girl.
Excuse me. So
I cannot be the only one who had a family where growing up
I love it, but it's just not giving me 10 back. So cute. Okay, y'all. Okay. So maybe they were like meant for someone who like has a little bit more going on up top. Okay, God, excuse my burping. And like the quality of the material is insane. Hold on. Excuse my acid reflux. Wearing girly. Hold on, thumbnail. I'm going through it right now with my reflux, you guys.
Voor mij. Sorry. Thank you Armando M voor de gifts. Ja, kijk. Yeah. Sorry.
Oye, ¿y por qué la gente te ve feo? También yo.
POV, you go away with me for the weekend.
Aniversário 23 de junho. Europa. Suco verde é um ótimo jeito de comer saudável. Que aí você ingere os sacos de chucas. Dentro do forno. Aí, chacho. Pega aí, pega aí. Vamos lá? Vamos, vai continuar assim? Eu acho que... não sei. Você tá me... Trocou. A roxinha pelo... ¡Ey! Sí, sí era tercer round, oh my god. Y después eructar. Mi talento es eructar, pero me daba mucha pena. A ver, mira, mira. ¿Ves? Puedo eructar con cual... O sea, no necesito tomarme nada, mira. Pero es como que agarro el aire que está aquí y lo subo hacia acá. Es muy raro. Mira, escucha cómo absorbo mi propio aire. Escucha, mira. ¿Ves? No sé de dónde viene ese aire, no entiendo. ¿Placa de dónde? Mira. Engordé. Bueno, soy complexión media ahora. Bueno, no te crees, estoy enflacando, mira. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah! Oh my god! Third floor. I do. Oh. Yes! Yes, Avery, yes! Where's Ronya? It's not like you're the bottom. Like, oh, that was so bad. Oh my god. Okay, I burped right next. I burped right next. That was so weird. No, yes.
Oh, I'm coming.
I'm coming. Oh my god. Again? I also desperately need to wash my hair. I did not realize how greasy it was. That's fucking nasty. I just threw up.